Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula, the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to a Walmart in-store try-on haul.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop.
Yes, girl, I am at Walmart. When I walked into this Walmart last week, y'all, they had so many super cute summer pieces that had just been put out. And I know we're kind of late into summer. I still want to bring you all these summer pieces from Walmart because if you live in the South, you know we can still experience warm weather well into September. So these pieces still can be worn. I just have to show y'all these pieces and everything will be linked in my LTK. And before we get all the way into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and share. Sharing means caring. Now let's head into Z Walmart. Now here is the section. Just scanning, you can see all these pretty summery looking colors. Let's grab these pants and I'm going to find a top to match. This is the matching top, but I don't think I want that. And this dress, and she comes in both yellow and pink. Now this top is cute, but it also comes in a chambray denim. That's right behind it. I like the pink, but I think I prefer the denim. This is the top that I want to get to go with the green and white striped pants that I just showed you. But there is no large and no medium, only smalls, extra larges. Now this is a super cute denim dress. It's the chambray material. So let's grab her in a large and an extra large. Okay, I like this, but let's look. This is the top and they have the matching pants to it, but I like the solid color top better with the printed pants. So let me see what I can find. This is a really pretty navy dress that could be worn to church. And she is by Pretty Garden. And here are some more dresses. The white is pretty. This powdered blue is pretty, but I think I like this orange and like a light pink. Let's see if she's available in my size. I love this color. It's a maxi dress and it looks like she comes in both this coral looking color and black. So now we're making our way to the fitting room to begin the try on part of this video. Y'all, people looking at me like I am crazy. It is 2026. Do y'all not know that creators exist? And if you see someone with a camera talking to themselves, like, don't just stare at them. Let me set y'all up so I could talk before I start. The lighting is not the best. However, we still gonna do this try on haul. Okay, this is the first outfit, but these are some super cute wide leg pants. And they are like, I'm sure 100% cotton in this top. I tried on an extra large because they don't have a large, but I really need a large. This is not fitting the way I would like. I love the pants. The pants are an extra large. They have pockets. Elastic waist. And this drawstring is a functioning drawstring. So when you pull it, it will cinch the waist. And don't forget, I will have them linked in my LTK. And my LTK is linked in the description box. Okay, I wanted to let y'all see from this angle the true color because the lighting is terrible. This is a pants set. It had the matching top to the pants, but as you all know, I don't like being matchy and that was just too much print. So let me show you. Clip it. So this is how it looks in the mirror. These pants, they have an elastic waist in the back. But honey, this is an extra large because they didn't have a large. I like them, they're cute, but this XL is too big. I don't like the way it fit. It's too frumpy up here. Now the top is a size medium and I really need a large. It's cute, really cute to wear to church. All right, we're on to the dresses now. This dress is so cute, y'all. I love this color. Now, she is a tad bit big in this breast area. I tucked my brush straps so you could get the full effect. But she is so cute. She is midi length, and of course it depends on your height as far as where she will fall on you. But she has pockets. Let me show you. And she's very loose. She's not tight fitting, and this is a size large. I really feel like I could push it and fit a medium, but I don't want to push it. I want you to see how spacious she is. But she actually stays up. She's staying up. I guess it also really depends on how good your bra is. If you have a really good half bra, the top won't go anywhere. And this is the one. She also comes in pink, but I love the yellow. I also wanted you to see it from this angle so you could get a true look at the color. And this is the back. But honey, this would ride up, especially if you have this. It's not gonna stay down. But it's cute. I love this dress. This one is a no-go. Look at this. This right here is the bra area. My breasts are too big. This is a size large. There is no stretch in this area whatsoever, so I cannot fit this size large. I can try the extra large, but I'm not. But anyway, she also comes in black. So I'm just letting you know they contain no stretch in the breast area. But they are some cute dresses, really cute dresses, and these are maxi dresses. They also have pockets, so they're super cute. But this one, I had forgot to show you all the chambray top with the green and white striped pants, so I put it back on so you can see how it looks. I forgot to pull my bra straps back up, but I'm not a fan of this top. I don't need anything to make me look bigger than what I am. And that is what this top is doing. Let me give you this view. I do not like how this top fits me. It almost looks like a maternity top. Make me look like I'm pregnant. And honey, I don't need that. So yeah. The pants are yes. I love the pants. But this is a no. Y'all, this dress is so cute. She's mini, but I love the way it fit. I'm wearing an extra large. I absolutely love it, but these legs, y'all, I don't think I could wear this without wearing something underneath. I just couldn't do it. Let me show you. Look, y'all. Let me clip this. Look. I love this dress. I love the way she fits. Honey, y'all see how? And in the back, look at this. Because of this. And if I wore her as a dress, I definitely would have to wear flats. I couldn't wear any type of heel with this because, honey, y'all know how I feel about my legs, especially my thighs. Not so much my legs, but my thighs, the front and the back. Now, let me show y'all what it looked like when I turn around. Can y'all see how short this is? Oh my goodness. I think it would look cute if I wore the capri leggings, my leopard capri leggings up under it. But Chloe, I'm telling y'all, Chloe would tell me, Mama, wear that dress. Y'all know I'm in the fitting room. I thought somebody was opening the door. But Chloe would say, Mama, wear that dress just like that. But anyway, y'all, this is super cute. Y'all, I like this denim dress. She's cute. She is cute. I could wear her to church, to brunch, to lunch, anywhere. I love the way she fits. She's a little bit big up in this area, but I know I couldn't go down to a large because she has no stretch, none. She has pockets. Now let me let you see how she looks in the mirror. And this is how she looks in the mirror. She is midi, kind of A-line. I love it. She comes with this belt right here. The buttons. She does button from here to here. It's super cute. Oh, I'm wearing an extra large. I think I just showed y'all that. I love this dress. I love the way she fits. I'm wearing an extra large. She is navy. So let me show you here. She splits here. There are no buttons. She has these two strings here, one at the top and one right here. They are not functioning, they're just there, and it's like tiered. I don't know if you can really see, but it's 1, 2 tiers, and I love the way she fits. She has minimum stretch pockets. On me, she's maxi style. I love that. So I could wear my platform heels with her, and I could wear her to church. All right, y'all, this is the last look of the day. Y'all get the colors, y'all see? I like the dress. I love the colors. Super cute. She is maxi style. Buttons. I am wearing an extra large, but I love this dress. She has pockets. And this one also comes in the light powder blue and white, like I showed you in the beginning. This is the last look of this Walmart in-store try-on haul.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy.